Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to create a folder repository manager. Okay, it's very simple. First, open the Informatica PowerCenter repository manager and then click on the repository, right click, connect, login or connect again. Okay, once you are here, now you will be able to create a folder. Click on this folder option, click on create, give a suitable name. Okay, and then click OK. Okay, that's it. You can create a number of folders here. So now if I want, I can create one more. I will just create for I'll just name it as Informatica. Okay, and create. So now you know how to create it. So how to delete? Click on it. Click on the particular folder that you want to delete. Go to folder. You will get the delete option. Click delete. Okay, done. That's how you create and delete folders in Informatica PowerCenter Repository Manager. Thank you.